Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my podcast number 5. In this episode, I will introduce the concept of oil and gas logistics based on the supplementary materials provided by my lectures. I will explain the definition, supply chain complexity, transportation modes, infrastructure requirements, challenge, regulation, economic impact, and the importance of effective logistic management in the oil and gas industry. So, let's begin. 1. Definition of oil and gas logistics. Oil and gas logistics involves the entire process of planning, managing, and delivering oil and gas products from exploration sites to end consumer. Logistics in this industry is part of the broader supply chain. It includes procurement, receiving, storage, transportation, and distribution of oil and gas products. It also involves the flow of goods, service, information, and even financial transactions. The main object is to ensure that products are delivered in the right type, quality, quantity, time, and cost in an effective and efficient way. In simple words, oil and gas logistics ensure that energy moves smoothly from upstream activities all the way to consumer. Number 2, the importance of logistics in the oil and gas industry. Logistics play a vital role in maintaining global energy supply. Without efficient logistics, the energy supply chain can be disrupted. This may lead to fuel shortage, price increases, and even economic instability in certain regions. Because oil and gas are strategic commodities, logistics is not only about transportation, it is about ensuring national and global energy security. Efficient logistics guarantees that industry, transportation system, and household receive energy continuously. Supply chain complexity. The oil and gas supply chain is very complex. It involves several major stages: exploration, production, transportation, storage, and distribution. Each stage requires careful coordination and planning. For example, after crude oil extracted from offshore platforms, it must be transported to refineries. After refining, the product such as gasoline, diesel, or LPG must be stored and then distributed to various regions. Because operations often occur in remote areas, including offshore locations, the logistic process requires meticulous management to maintain efficiency and safety. The complexity makes oil and gas logistics one of the most challenging supply chains in the world. Transportation modes. Various transportation methods are used in oil and gas logistics. First, pipelines. Pipelines are commonly used to transport crude oil and natural gas over long distances continuously and efficiently. Second, tankers. Oil tankers are used for international shipping across oceans. Third, rail transport. Rail is often used for land transportation, where pipelines are not available. Fourth, trucks. Trucks are typically used for final distribution to fuel station and industrial consumer. Each transportation mode has its own advantage and challenge in terms of cost, speed, capacity, and safety. Choosing the right transportation method is crucial for operational efficiency. Number 5 is required infrastructure. Oil and gas logistics requires robust infrastructure. This includes ports, storage tanks, pipeline network, terminal, and refinery. Without strong infrastructure, it will be difficult to meet global oil and gas demand. Storage tanks are important to maintain buffer stock. Ports enable international trade. Pipelines must ensure continuous flow. All this infrastructure must be integrated properly. Infrastructure investment is therefore essential for a stable energy supply. Number 6 is challenge in oil and gas logistics. Oil and gas logistics face numerous challenges. One major challenge is extreme weather conditions, especially for offshore operation. Another challenge is route security. Oil shipment may face risks such as piracy or geopolitical conflict. Cybersecurity threats are also increasing, as logistics systems rely heavily on digital technology. Because of these risks, companies must implement risk mitigation strategies and strong planning systems. Effective risk management is key to maintaining smooth operation. Number 7 is regulation and policies. Oil and gas logistics operates under strict regulation. This regulation cover environmental protection, occupational safety, and international trade compliance. Companies must comply with national and international standards to ensure safety and sustainable operation. For example, environmental regulation aim to prevent oil spills and reduce emission. Compliance is not optional, it is essential for operational sustainability and corporate reputation. Number 8 is economic impact of oil and gas logistics. The efficiency of oil and gas logistics directly affects global energy prices. If logistics run smoothly, supply remains stable, and prices tend to be controlled. However, logistic disruption can trigger price surges. These price increases may affect inflation and economic stability, because energy is fundamental to industrial production and transportation. Logistic efficiency influence the broader economy. In short, oil and gas logistics has a direct impact on global economic condition. Number 9, the importance of effective logistic management. Effective logistic management ensures a smooth global energy supply with careful planning, coordination, and risk management. Logistics can guarantee sustainable energy availability for the world. This includes strategic planning, technology integration, safety management, and continuous monitoring. Modern logistic management use digital systems, tracking technologies, and real-time data analysis to improve efficiency and reduce risk. Good logistic management is not only about moving product, it is about ensuring reliability, safety, and sustainability. In conclusion, oil and gas logistics is a critical component of the global energy system. It involves the complex supply chain processes, multiple transportation modes, strong infrastructure, regulatory compliance, and risk management. Efficient logistics ensure stable energy supply, support economic stability, and strengthens national energy security. Without proper logistic management, the entire logistic oil and gas industry will not function effectively. So that was from me. Hope this helped, and thank you for watching, and thank you for listening to my podcast, and see you.